going to learn Kreutzer Etude number 25. This etude is very challenging because you have to play the octaves very, very in tune. So we're going to do a very slow practice first. I would suggest to start with not to play the separations between the octaves. Just start to play them as double stops. Set the metronome at 60 per note. Ready, go. Once you mastered the quarter note, then we are gonna move on to play them slightly separated as was written. You want to make sure your bow doesn't drag when you're shifting to each octaves. So for instance, so wait to shift to the second position. So wait. So each octave progresses. It's a shift. So make sure you play very cleanly. Now we are gonna move on towards the end. There's some big jumps. Last three lines we're gonna talk about it because there's one. It does go on to the D and A string. So let's start with the last three lines. So that's on the D and A string. So you continue. So one more time. Last two lines. We're gonna do double stops. Ready, go. When you try to play the double stops, make sure you press the bow evenly so they have equal amount of sound from each strings.